It depends on what your goal is. Like, is your goal to get a job? Then I would start looking through, like, especially we're all returning to office. Maybe we're not looking for remote jobs now. Look in your area. What are people looking for? You need to have a level of foundation Java to be able to work in Spring Boot. So I would say that you start with Java. You got to get a foundation there. Once you understand it at a kind of beginner level, you could start to get better at it as you're building Spring out. So lay the foundation with Java, then move to Spring Boot, and then what is it that you're trying to do? If the goal is to get a job, then yeah, like I want to be a Spring developer. All the jobs around Spring are kind of cloud centric and working with microservices and distributed architecture and these patterns. Those are things that you should learn. I don't know what tools you're talking about, but if you're talking about AI tools, I mean, take advantage of them. They're just another tool in your tool belt. Don't use them as a crutch. If it writes code for you, make sure you understand what that code is. Don't let it just kind of write code and move on, because you're not going to learn anything and you're going to be in trouble when you get in an interview when you can't explain some of the decisions that this code made, right? So I would say that we always talk, DaShaun, about being a T-shaped developer.
There you go.
You got to learn the foundational stuff. So Java, Spring, and then across the top of that T, you should have a little bit of knowledge of like AI, a little bit of knowledge of like how to get things to production. All of those things you should be kind of foundationally aware of, but your base of your T should be Java, Spring, and whatever else needs to be there.